You can go to federal prison for 10 years without ever selling drugs, without ever touching drugs, without ever even seeing drugs. Under federal law, all prosecutors need to prove is that you agreed with someone else to distribute controlled substances and took some step toward that goal. That step can be small. A phone call introducing a friend to someone who sells cocaine, lending your car to someone who used it to transport drugs, passing along a phone number. That's federal drug conspiracy under 21 U.S.C. Section 846. And here's what makes it devastating. Your sentence isn't based on what you did. It's based on the total foreseeable drug quantity of the entire conspiracy. Every gram your so-called conspirators handled during the time you were involved gets attributed to you. The DEA and FBI will have been building their case for months, maybe years, before you even knew you were a target. They have your phone records, your text messages, and they have cooperating witnesses, people who are naming you to reduce their own sentences. Your friends become government witnesses. Mandatory minimums mean judges have no discretion. 5 kilograms of cocaine or 1 kilogram of heroin carries 10 to life. If someone died from drugs connected to the conspiracy, you're looking at 20 years minimum. This is not state court. Federal prosecutors have more resources, more time, and higher conviction rates. More than 90% of federal drug defendants plead guilty because the penalty for going to trial and losing is severe. If you're facing federal drug conspiracy charges in Dallas or anywhere else in Texas or the U.S., you need a defense lawyer who has handled these specific cases in federal court. I have been board certified in criminal law since 2007. Fewer than 10% of criminal lawyers have that certification. As a former organized crime prosecutor, I know exactly how the government builds these cases. I've tried over 150 jury trials. I know the prosecutors, I know the judges, and I know what works. Federal drug conspiracy is not something you fight with a general practice lawyer. You're facing these charges. Time matters. Early intervention can shape the outcome. Call my office today at 214-526-1900. The consultation is free. Your freedom is on the line. You need a defense lawyer who has done this before.